My first video, well, yeah, I'm gonna be doing a stunt montage and sort of my first video as I explained. Please subscribe. I will be doing more videos. I know I don't sound very excited, but I am pretty excited. So if we can get, I think by the end of this week, I live in Australia. By the end of this week, maybe if we can get 50 likes on my stunt montage and 20 subscribers. And please comment under my stunt montage, what would you like to see in future videos? Tomorrow I'll be doing COD, and maybe the next day I'll be doing Destiny or Batman. Just tell me. Yeah. Okay, bye.